Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to edit your website with Weebly. First, log into your account. Then, on the top left, click on this My Site and make sure that you're on the website that you want to work with. Once inside the site dashboard, on the top right, click on this Edit Site button, and by that, it will bring you to your website editor where you can go and customize it to your liking. Now, first on the left panel, you can access different elements to add to your website. Just go and show all of it so that you'll have more options. Now, you can go and add an image if you'd like to, just by dragging it to the section of your website where you want that to be. Now you can go and upload one from your device. You can also go and add a title or a text. Then you can also add buttons, products, and other elements that you think you need for your website. You can also go and select an existing element, and here I will go and edit this background where I can add an image and also an effect. And for the contents, you can change the default text to your liking. You can also go to pages on the upper ribbon so that you'll have access to other pages where you can also customize them. Now, if you want another theme, you can go to theme at the upper ribbon. Here, you can change it and just select one based on your liking. Or you can go and change the fonts. For the header area, general and media, and store, you can also go to theme options where you can collapse the navigation menu or choose to hide the search box. And that's just basically it. That's how you edit your website with Weebly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.